Yeah, we're getting ready to board our ship. It's called the Radiance. And all friends are all here. We're coming with some friends from China. They live in Shanghai. And Wohan Hao. Wohan Gaoxing, Wo Shouhan Yu. I speak Chinese, and so since I do, we're having a great time. They speak almost no English, which makes it even more fun, so it's going to be an adventure. So, we're going to go take a look at the Queen Mary and just do our thing. Okay, we're getting ready to get on the ship, but the first thing we want to do is we want to go look at the Queen Mary. The Queen Mary is pretty interesting. I'll show it to you. Alright, so that's the Queen Mary. Now, if you know the area at all, if you've come down here at all, you know what it's like already down here. But this is the cruise line area. You can see over there, that's where the Radiance is. We used to come down here all the time. We used to dive out of here, going out of Long Beach, and we'd go over to Catalina. We used to dive in the area here too. But it's been a long time since I've been down here. So I just want to let you know, this is pretty interesting for me. As we're looking around, I'm also going to show them the submarine. But again, this is it's a museum too. They have Titanic stuff in there, and along with it, they also have a hotel. So there you go. There's the Queen Mary Hotel logo. What's amazing the amazing thing about this is that this is reminding me so much of the Titanic adventure in Belfast. I'll give you some pictures of that. That's really cool how they have made it look a lot like it. Up now over there, the whole building looks like an iceberg, but the retro is really, really cool. This wasn't here when I was a kid. It wasn't here last time I was diving, so they little shop here. Pretty cool. All right, and now we're also going by the submarine. Now this is a actual Russian submarine over here. Oh look, there's a torpedo. How cool is that? See it right there? That's a torpedo. But this is an actual Russian submarine. I believe it's a Foxtrot. Boy, it's really getting old. Yeah, so this is, I believe it's a Foxtrot submarine, and this was actually used during the Cold War, and then they bought it. And right next to it, of course, is the Queen Mary. Very cool. But the cool part is just seeing it after, maybe 14, maybe 10 years, because we stopped diving and we didn't come down here very often. Okay, so now we're climbing up the stairs here, getting ready to go down the ramp, or up the ramp to board the ship. Okay, so now we're walking through the gate to get through, and our ship is right in front of us, and it looks like they're taking photos of everybody.